Guys, welcome back to another episode of Get Classy with Chief-Up. It's still your girl again, Blessing. On this channel, we're so passionate about your skin, and we come here to tell you tips on how you can, get your skin to look healthy, glow, and have this glassy look. So in today's video, I'll be going a step further to talk about our hair. Yes, I know some of us love to keep the natural hair. Some of us, we still go perm our hair and all that. But I have had incidents where at some point my hair was really breaking. I was having this hair breakage, and it was so bad that I just didn't know what to do, really, guys. And I was wondering, could it be because I was using different hairstylists at that point, because I did not have a stable hairstylist, and I was always changing. Today I go here, just with my hair, next 2 weeks I go there. So I couldn't really figure out why my hair was breaking, right? And it was so bad that I was just losing hair everywhere, not just the hair edges. I was also losing my back hair, middle hair, everywhere. So I was wondering what was happening, right? So I decided to say, okay, let me just focus on one hairstylist. So I got a hairstylist that was doing my hair, but I noticed that it didn't really solve the problem. So I thought perhaps it was because I was retouching my hair every 2 months. Perhaps that was why. Sometimes I was even retouching every month. Really, she told me, so my hairstylist told me that could also be part of the reason why my hair was breaking, because I wasn't allowing the hair to dew before I go ahead to retouch. She suggested I waited for three months before perming my hair. I'm not a fan of natural hair. Sorry for all the natural hair babes. It's just that I cannot cope with the pain and the work you need to put in getting the natural hair. Natural hair itself is a job, full-time job that you really need time and dedication to do. So sorry, I don't have that time and I don't have that energy to keep natural hair. And my hair is very coarse. I have a very strong hair that after 1 month of perming, my hair is already due. So I cannot keep natural hair because I can't comb it, guys. I see the work those girls put in. They will have to wet the hair, apply different product just to be able to comb the hair. I love the after looks, really, don't get me wrong. I love the way it come out when they style the hair, but I cannot just endure that pain. It's not easy. I know they say beauty sometimes can be painful. Beauty is pain, but not for me. So I always palm my hair. I make sure I just get it very relaxed and easy to comb. So let's cut this long story short. In this video, guys, I just want to share with you how I was able to stop my hair from breaking. Currently, even if I put the smallest of comb, which is the picking comb or whichever comb you call it, my hair, I don't lose my hair, it doesn't break. So my stylist suggested that I start steaming my hair, which is what we'll be talking about today, which will be the focus of today's video. Why it's important for you to steam your hair at least twice in a year or once a year. Just steam your hair, right? You can do DIY steaming. I won't be covering that in this video. Maybe in another video I'm going to tell you how to do DIY steaming, which I do sometimes, but I decided to get a product that have all those ingredients I use for the DIYs, because really getting those DIY products together can be time consuming. So if you have a good product that have put all this together, although it might not be in the formulation that the DIY will give you, sometimes DIYs too can go wrong. Really, DIYs can go wrong. So I decided to get a product which my stylist suggested we use for steaming, and sometimes I steam it myself at least twice a year. Like I said, you don't need to over steam your hair. So I'll be looking at the importance of steaming, and I'll be telling you, I'll be showing you in this video how I steam my hair. Perhaps next time when I'm going to steam, I'll record it and show you how I steam my hair. But I just want to tell you the product I'm using currently, one of the products, because there are other products, but this is just one that I use for steaming. And guys, that product is no other than this one here. Yes, look at it. This is the product I'm currently using. So this is the hair mayonnaise by extra virgin olive African best. So it's called hair mayonnaise. Now it is for treatment of hair. Yeah, this is for treatment of your hair, for weak damaged hair. So when your hair is weak, your hair will be prone to breakage, right? If your hair is weak, it will start breaking. And what causes hair weakness? Like I said, if you're not taking care of your hair, maybe your hair, like during the harmattan, your hair is susceptible to breakage, where if you live in a very dry or arid region, your hair is prone to breakage. Now if you also don't apply good hair moisturizers, good hair fruits, like hair products that have good hair fruits in them, then your hair is prone to breakage. And then if you also you know, leave your hair for so long, some people just leave their hair for so long, they don't even wash the hair, they just leave their hair there. Maybe you put a wig on or weave on that has spent like 6-7 months and the hair is just there. Only God knows how you're able to breathe and cope. But there are people I've seen on TikTok that have kept their hair for that long, and when they are loosening it, the hair is already looking like dread. So such hair really can break, you know. And a lot of other things too. If you are having hormonal imbalance, your hair can break. Or if you're not having some vitamins that you need your hair to grow, there are some good vitamins which I'll be talking later that you need to add in your food, or you get supplements just to, you know, take care of our hair. We're so engrossed with taking care of our skin that we forget the importance of taking care of our hair, because we feel we can put on wig to cover up. Thank God for wig. Anyways, wig is always there to cover up. But if you're somebody who really wants your hair, you want to take care of your hair, then you need to steam your hair. Now this contains natural herbs, it contains olive oil and egg protein. Now majorly what you need for your hair steaming, right, are ingredients that you have shea butter or mayonnaise, shea butter, mayonnaise, egg, very important, you need egg for your steaming. And this product has almost everything that is required, and it also have other things that will help, you know, take care of maybe dandruff. If you're having dandruff, lice, anything in it, it has those beautiful ingredients. I'll just mention a few. It has water, it has glycerin. Glycerin we know is a very good moisturizer. It's like an occlusive, and it helps to, you know, hydrate your skin. It has paraffin, which is also like an oil. It has cetyl alcohol, it has olive fruit oil, it has propylene glycol, it has dimeticon, it has beautiful ingredients. It has pentanol extract, it has carotia sativa roots, which is like the rice, you know, rice water. You can use it for steaming your hair. That's for the DIY. So like I said, I'm not going to be talking about DIY today, maybe in another video, but I'm just trying to tell you that they have all these ingredients here. So you have the oregano vulgare. We know oregano is like, some people use it to cook, but it's also good for your hair. It helps your hair to grow, it helps with hair growth. It has cholesterol, it has the catamus, I can't pronounce that, it has seed oil, it has soybean oil. Guys, this product has a lot of beautiful ingredients. So guys, how do you use this product, right? Basically, this product is, you need to use it when you have cleaned your hair. So you need to shampoo your hair, wash it, apply your conditioner, wash it, let your hair be clean. Do not apply it on a dirty hair. I see people just losing their hair and they just proceed to steaming. That's, to me, you're not doing yourself any good. That's dirtiness. First, you need to take out the dirt from your hair. Wash your hair thoroughly. After you've washed your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water, and you know that's the best way to wash your hair, not cold water. Lukewarm water will help, you know, dissolve all those oils from your cream and all that, and also get the dirt out quickly. So you get that. You then, after you're done washing your hair, you apply this, you section your hair section by section, you apply, put it in, apply, put it in, make sure you're putting on your gloves, you apply it, then you gently massage it in. When you massage it into the hair scalp and on the hair as well, you make sure you massage very well, you ruffle it in. Then if you have your steaming cap, you can put on your steaming cap. If you don't have steaming cap, all good. It's not everybody that must have steaming cap, guys. What you need to do is get a nylon bag, or if you don't have nylon bag, if you have a very big what's that thing called, Ziploc, the biggest size, you can use that and maybe tie something on it, or get a nylon, guys, tie the hair, make it very firm. If you don't have a dryer in your house, you have hand dryer, right? Fine, you get your hand dryer, put it on low heat, and then you keep on going round and round and round for like 10 minutes. Let it steam, let it heat up. So you use your hand dryer. That's what I do. I don't have the steaming bag initially. When I started, I was using my hand dryer before I got the steaming bag. So you use that, you put it, the hand dryer, and let the heat go around for like 10 minutes. After that, do not exceed 10 minutes, please, because if you over exceed, your hair becomes so soft. You then take it off, and then you wash very thoroughly and use your shampoo again and conditioner, and then you dry the hair and cream it with a very good hydrating hair moisturizer. Now the importance of doing this is that your hair will gain its strength. You know, the protein that your hair needs to grow is this protein that has been used to make this product. Your hair needs those protein really to grow itself, and your hair follicles to need certain level of protein for it to grow healthy without breaking. We say that protein is a bodybuilding food, right? It helps to make you grow, your skin cells to grow and all that. So guys, the same way your hair needs protein to grow. For the vitamins I promised to talk about that you need to inculcate in your routine or your supplements for your hair growth, guys, you need these 4 important ones. So look for any supplement that has vitamin A. You can either get a supplement or you get food that are rich in vitamin A. And you know, your egg is a good one, is rich in vitamin A. So vitamin A would help to, you know, help to grow those cells that produce your hair, to make you have long hair, healthy hair. It also help with the production of, you know, the sebum in the sebaceous gland. Now your hair produces sebum. That is what nourishes the hair follicle and, you know, help it to grow, right? That's the oil you see under your skin to make it warm and healthy. So vitamin A helps helps to aid the production of those cells. Now the second thing you need to add in your supplement, the second vitamin you need is vitamin D. Yes, very important. And thank God for us in Nigeria, and with the blacks, we have it in abundance because of the sun. But again, if you know you're somebody who hardly goes into the sun, which I don't advise you go into the sun, because really sun has its pros and cons. So you can take supplements, you can take vitamin D supplements, very important, because it will help with the production of new hair follicles. So those hair follicles that help in the production of this, you know, your hair glands and all that, it would help in the production of your hair follicles. So you need vitamin D, and you know that we need vitamin D in our skin to help with the production of melanin and all that, protect our skin from the damage and all that. So vitamin C is very, very good, right? Then the third one is vitamin C. Yeah, vitamin C is also good for your skin because it's an antioxidant, and you need those antioxidants to clear free radicals even from your hair gland, not just on your face. So vitamin C is also good. Then you also need what we call biotin. Yes, look for all these supplements that has biotin. So biotin is very important for the production of keratin, and we know that keratin are those protein that makes up the skin cells. Your nails, you know, is made up of keratin. Your hair follicle is made up of keratin. They make up your skin cells generally. So keratin is very important. So you need biotin for the production of keratin. And finally, you need iron. Iron is something I will always advise you take because it also helps with, you know, follicle production. You know, we always say if you're tired, your skin is tired, your body is tired, take iron. It helps in the production and circulation of blood around the body. So you see most of this drugs you take for when you're fatigued has iron. Iron is very, very good. So you need you need something that will help in blood circulation around the hair follicle, and that is why you need iron. So I have mentioned about 4. There are a lot of other vitamins you can add in your daily supplements to have a good and healthy hair growth, but these are the basic and major ones that I just want to share with you today. So guys, if you have found this video helpful, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channels, like our videos, and share this video. If you have used this product, guys, tell us how your experience was. If you've used other products that you feel are also good, please drop the names in the comment section so that other members of this channel would benefit from it. In my next video, I'll be coming to tell you how to do DIY hair steaming. Yeah, you don't need, if you don't have money to buy this and you have this product at your disposal, you can actually use them. They are very affordable and they are mostly in your kitchen, but you don't know how to use them for your hair growth. So I'll be discussing that in my next video. Just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Until I come your way next time, it's still your girl Blessing. Bye.